This is not your typical laptop because this is powered by Intel's Lunar Lake chip, 32GB RAM, stunning WQXGA display, AI-driven life for students and young working professionals. Techies! Welcome back again sa aking Liz Tech channel. So, nandito naman ulit sa Liz for another video. And for today's video, guys, is we are going to test and review this laptop of ASUS, which is the ASUS ExpertBook P5. This ASUS ExpertBook P5 is a 14-inch business laptop. This is powered by Intel's next-gen Lunar Lake processors, making it part of the first generation of Copilot Plus PCs. And now, ka-techies, looking at its specs, what makes this laptop stand out is powered na nga siya ng Intel Core TM Ultra 5 or Ultra 7. Merong Ultra 5, may Ultra 7, 258V. That is part of Lunar Lake family. So it means it's Intel's new architecture designed for AI-powered and ultra-efficient performance. Maganda rin dito, guys, is yung graphics niya is integrated Intel Arc TM na rin siya with 140V GPU. So it optimized productivity and light creative workloads. Here is benchmark score. So you guys can see how well Intel Lunar Lake chip handles AI tasks, multitasking, and creative workloads. And as I mentioned a while ago, this is specially made para sa mga businessmen, entrepreneurs, or even young working professionals kasi it is AI-powered already. So may Copilot Plus PC na rin siya. This is not the typical Copilot app. This Copilot Plus is Microsoft's new AI platform for Windows 11 laptops. And this ExpertBook P5 is one of the first to support it. So this Intel's Lunar Lake chip and AI Boost NPU enables recall, live captions and translations, ASUS Expert Meet, and on-device AI. This tool transcribes meetings, masasummarize din niya yung mga key points, at ma-add din niya yung mga translated subtitles. So, mas mapadali at mas magiging easy na lang sa inyo i-record yung mga napag-usapan niyo sa mga meetings, especially sa mga business meetings. And apart from that, may AI noise cancellation din ito, AI camera, and watermark for confidentiality. Hindi lang yung AI yung tinas namin, even sa gaming, guys, kahit hindi to gaming laptop, isa paglaruan nyo rin po siya. And in fairness, the performance is really great and smooth as well. You'll also immerse yourself while watching your favorite dramas or in Netflix or movies because it has 14-inch WQXGA display, 144Hz refresh rate, 2.5K resolution na rin. As you can see, even outdoor, clear at crisp pa rin yung display because it has 400 nits brightness. Maganda rin na may 100% sRGB yung display niya for professionals who need clarity and color accuracy. And na-appreciate ko rin, guys, na may anti-glare na rin po yung display niya. Yes, mag-i-enjoy rin kayo kahit maglalaro man kayo or manood kayo ng mga favorite movies ito. So in terms of the memory and storage naman, what I like about this device is, of course, meron siyang 32GB RAM and 1TB PCIe 4 SSD, ensuring fast multitasking and ample storage. And when it comes naman sa kanyang battery, long-lasting din yung battery performance ng laptop na ito. As you can see, we have tested it from morning to afternoon to evening and nasasamahan pa rin niya kami kahit hindi namin siya charge. So yes, thanks to its 63 watt-hour lithium battery and fast charging din siya because it has 65 watt fast charging charger. And for the design naman, na-appreciate ko rin ang laptop na ito kasi napakagaan lang po niya at napakanipis lang po niya. In fact, yung material po na ginamit nila dito is all aluminum chassis with a matte finish. Lightweight yet durable, giving it a premium feel without the bulk. In terms of the weight and size, meron siyang 1.27 kg. and 15mm thin. So easy lang talaga siyang i-carry sa backpack or kahit sa tote bags nyo. And dumagdag pa na yung color nito is very premium looking kasi misty gray siya. Perfect for professional and understated. Perfect for any setting as well. May backlit chiclet keys na rin siya with 1.5mm travel. Comfortable for long typing sessions. I-enjoy ko rin personally ang backlit chiclet keys niya guys kasi yan din talaga yung prefer ko when it comes to laptop. And sa mga ports naman niya guys, may dalawang Thunderbolt 4 siya, may dalawang USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, may isang HDMI 2.1, may USB 2.0 Type A, and all of these offering excellent connectivity as well. At hindi lang yan ka-techies, when it comes to durability naman, this device has been tested its hinges for 50,000 times at yung keyboard naman niya is spill water resistance na rin. So, kung accidentally natapunan man siya ng tubig, is hindi kayo mag-aalala doon. Another thing is, even you accidentally drop this, hindi ka mag-aalala kasi it will still work dahil nakapasa naman siya sa US military grade test and sumabak siya ng up to 21 procedures. Pero on the side note, wag nyo rin naman siyang sadyaing ihulog, diba? To destroy it. Wag naman ganon. And what I like about this device as well is it is capable of 180-degree lay flat hinge for allowing the screen to open completely flat, ideal for collaborative work, presentations, and flexible viewing angles. Another thing din na na-appreciate ko sa device na to is Dolby Atmos na rin po yung speaker niya. So kahit nasa outdoor ka, maririnig mo pa rin yung pinapanood mong movie kasi ang lakas pa rin po ng speaker niya. And for the business grade and security, what I like about this device is meron po siyang webcam shield, may fingerprint sensor siya, and may TPM 2.0 chip. This is to protect sensitive data during remote works or school projects. And so far guys, sa experience, na-enjoy naman namin itong ASUS ExpertBook P5. In fact, ito yung mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya. First is ultra light and sleek lang talaga siya. Easy to carry from class or from work to cafe or anywhere. And another thing is AI ready na rin siya. Hindi lahat is AI ready na sa ganitong price point. Like Copilot Plus PC na siya. That features like recall, live captions, that makes studying and scripting smoother. Next is long battery life din ang device na ito. Enjoy namin siya even in a day in just a single charge. So para sa akin, it is ideal for all-day productivity naman. Apart from that, it is quiet and cool as well kasi wala siyang fan eh. Lahat diba may mga fan, maingay, pero this one, it doesn't have that. Pero cool pa rin siya. So no distracting fan noise during calls or editing. And of course, may mga napansin din akong cons sa kanya. Isa na roon is hindi pa siya touch screen sa kanyang price point. Not ideal for tablet style use. And of course, yung integrated GPU niya, it limits heavy gaming or 4K editing. Pero kung hindi ka naman naghahanap ng for gaming laptop, hindi naman din to for gaming talaga, is hindi naman din big deal yan. This ExpertBook is nagkakalaga po siya ng 82,995. Now, for some, maybe it's pricey, but if you're investing in a future-proof device that blends style, speed, smart features, then the price reflects its cutting-edge tech and long-term value. So again, AI-enhanced productivity check, military-grade durability check, and business-grade security check. So far naman sa tatlong yan, masasabi ko worth it at sulit naman siya for its price. Now, how about you guys? Ano masasabi nyo sa presyo niya at sa performance niya? Feel free to comment then down below. Salamat po sa panonood. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again, Techies, sa my next video. Bye!